I have a customer with a 2023 Ford F150 that had wanted a spare key. This is the original, and when it came out, I always try to keep the original fobs for the customers. This is one that I had made for him. All the buttons work, and it does start the vehicle. Everything's good. We already tested it, moved the key out, and they both works. Original still works. So does this one. 2023 Ford F150. If y'all need any keys made, reach out to me. My business is Quick Pop Quick Fix, and I'm sure I can help you out. All right, I'm out. Another successful job.
Put your money back in business and that pays off. I built one from the ground up. I know what it pays. Doing the right thing. It's different business, but it's business. You know what I mean? It's business. When I started my business, man, I stayed too broke for a while. Man, I had money coming, but I had to put it all back in. You know what I mean? There wasn't no extra. How to make your heart sink, buddy. You know?